What'd you get, bud?
Ooh, what
Show
do you
me.
think it is? What is it?
What are they?
A shirt.
But what is
What's
it?
on the shirt?
A pig.
Look, you know
Show
what it
me.
is? It's kitty pajamas from Auntie Shar.
Kitty pajamas.
That's nice. You want to wear them tonight to bed? Oh, they're so cute.
What do you say to Auntie Shar?
Thank
Look at Daddy.
Whoa, whoa. This is some great Alma. This is awesome.
What is it?
Whoa.
Graydon, what is it?
It's a globe.
Show Daddy, I can't see.
No way.
Oh, what is
you.
that?
Open it.
Yeah, let's.
And I want to try it. What else can I open?
Graydon, show me the cat pajamas.
Here, show the kitty pajamas to Daddy.
Cool.
You open the stocking. Dump it all out. It's from Great Alma. Dump it out. Dump it out.
Woo!
Oh.
Candy! I love it! And a Christmas snowman cookie.
What's this
Hey.
thing?
Open it.
Oh, Great Alma was smart. She gave you a toothbrush.
And
Ooh. Ring pop.
what is this?
Skittles.
Hey, I'm wondering for this.
Okay, open that.
What was in your stocking? Did Dad have a candy?
No.
Nice. What's in there?
Ooh, a coloring book and crayons.
Oh, fun.
That's nice.
You didn't even look at the coloring book.
Why did you have one of these?
Yeah, and then you have more crayons.
Oh, we need some scissors, I think. This looks cool, though, Dad.
Is it?
What else
Yeah.
have we opened? Mommy?
Are you ready to explore Egypt? Explore and discover. Press any key.
Wow, that's a nice gift.
Yeah, it was.
Expensive.
Yeah.
What are you doing with
Oh,
that?
I think we turned it off.
Hi, kids. Are you ready to explore the world?
Oh, look, Canada.
Hey, recognize that noise? What's that from, buddy? Graydon, what's that noise from?
I lost this. Now I do have another one. I'll even do this. None of the Christmas cookie in this. And I got this.